I am Lee Downer, and I am the award-winning author of the book on back care entitled No Pain, Your Gain, and the ebook The Shocking Truth About Back Pain. I'm also the founder and creator of Danglefit, which is back care, brain care, fitness, fun, and games. But it wasn't always fun and games for me. For 27 years, I've lived with severe low back pain caused by a herniated disc and degenerative disc disease. My pain was so bad that the simple task of rolling over from my back to my side on my bed would take me minutes. This is a task that would take most people seconds. But now I coach and I mentor others on how to alleviate their back pain with the use of Danglefit inversion therapy. I met Andrei Minkoff a few years ago at a conference, and after his presentation, I took an immediate liking to him because he seemed to be very sincere and very honest. One of the things that he taught us during his presentation was that if you have a brand and you haven't registered trademark your brand, which means that you're protecting your brand, then you are at risk of copycats and competitors coming in and taking over your brand. So immediately, I wanted him to register trademark and protect my brand, Danglefit, for me. Well, first of all, he gave me a wonderful discount, which was amazing. Thank you very much, Andrei Minkoff, for that. I really appreciate that. As well, Andrei Minkoff and his team at the Trademark Factory, they stayed with me throughout the entire process, and they never allowed me to procrastinate on any of the communications that they sent me. They were very vigilant with that, and it was very, very wonderful knowing that they have my interests at heart. I really appreciated that. And yesterday, I received in the mail, as a result of their amazing work, I received my registered trademark of Danglefit. Now I am protected in Canada and the United States. My Danglefit brand is protected in Canada and the United States. Thank you, thank you, thank you so very much, Andrei Minkoff and your team at the Trademark Factory. If you are watching this video, I highly, highly, highly recommend that you protect your brand with Andrei Minkoff and his team at the Trademark Factory. They will take care of you and protect you the way they did me. They are the best in the field.